You are not broke because you don't make enough money. You are not broke because life is unfair. You are broke because nobody ever sat you down and told you the truth about how money actually works. And today, that changes. Because once you understand these things, you cannot unsee them. And your relationship with money will never be the same. Here is how most people think money works. You go to work, you get paid, you pay your bills, then you spend whatever is left. Sounds normal, right? That is exactly the problem. That cycle has a name. It is called living paycheck to paycheck. And right now, over 60% of Americans are stuck in it. Not because they are lazy, not because they do not work hard, but because they were never taught the one rule that changes everything. They were handed a diploma and sent into the world with zero knowledge of how money actually works. No one taught them, and that is exactly why you are here. The rule is this: pay yourself first, before your rent, before your phone bill, before your groceries, before anything else. The very first thing your paycheck touches is a separate account just for you. Even if it is $20, even if it is $10, the amount does not matter right now. The habit does. Wealthy people do not save what is left after spending. They spend what is left after saving. Read that again because it sounds simple, but almost nobody actually does it. Every month, they treat savings like a bill they owe themselves. Not an afterthought, a priority. Now here's the trap that gets people even when they start making more money. It is called lifestyle inflation. Every time you get a raise, somehow your expenses go up too. Bigger apartment, newer car, better phone, more subscriptions, more everything. Your income went up, but your savings stayed exactly the same. That is lifestyle inflation. And it is the reason people who make six figures are still broke. More money does not fix bad habits. It just makes them more expensive. The habit has to come before the income, always. Write down every subscription you are paying for right now. Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, that app you downloaded once and opened twice, that gym membership you use as a donation. Now add them up. Most people are leaking between $100 and $300 a month on things they barely use. That is up to $3,600 a year. Just gone. Quietly draining out every single month without you noticing. This is not about cutting out everything you enjoy. It is about being intentional. Every dollar you spend should be a decision you made, not a habit you forgot about. Your money can work while you sleep. Right now, if your savings are sitting in a regular bank account earning almost nothing, you are actually losing money every single day. Not because someone is stealing it, but because of inflation. Prices go up every year, and if your money is not growing at least as fast as prices rise, then it is shrinking in real value. The fix is not complicated. A high-yield savings account pays you several times more than a regular bank account just for existing. An index fund lets your money grow with the market over time without you having to pick stocks or understand charts. You do not need to be an expert. You just need your money somewhere it can grow. Sitting still is not neutral. Sitting still is falling behind. There is one more thing draining your wallet that nobody talks about, and it lives in your phone. Social media has turned comparison into a full-time job. You see someone with a new car, a vacation, a designer bag, and suddenly what you have does not feel like enough, so you spend. Not because you need it, but because you saw it and felt something. You are literally being programmed to feel broke, so you buy things to feel better. Here is what they do not show you though. That new car has payments they can barely afford. That vacation went on a credit card that is not paid off. Stop buying things to impress people who are probably doing the exact same thing. Build your own scorecard. Your savings account balance is your score. Not your wardrobe, not your followers, your actual money. So let us bring it all together. Number 1, pay yourself first. Every single paycheck without exception. Number 2, audit your subscriptions right now. Cancel anything you have not used in 30 days. Number 3, move your savings somewhere it can actually grow. Even a high-yield savings account is a better start than nothing. Number 4, stop spending to impress other people. Nobody is watching as closely as you think, and the ones who are watching are probably just as broke. These are not complicated steps. They do not require a finance degree. They just require one decision, the decision to start. Nobody is coming to save you financially. Not the government, not your employer, not luck. The only person who is going to fix your money is you. And now you know exactly where to start. Please like and subscribe to learn more ways to save money.